G'day ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another Full Beans Network video, and today we have Mr. Moore, the one and only.
And we are getting the mighty smurfet ready for its first drift event.
Oh
it's
yeah.
It's going to be fantastic.
Oh yeah, no, it's going to be awesome. So that means, well, diff.
First spots, next will be Knuckles.
Ooh, they're going to be the best.
We have nothing but the best mechanical in the world on the job. He has worked out the ways of the Knuckles.
Fuck it off. But no, this is going to be how to weld your diff. Step 1, you need jack for your diff. We recommend going under the pumpkin because it's easy to get your wheels up and your suspension doesn't have to do all the stuff. Step 2, always remember your safety. It's good to be safe. Ooh, mint. Oh, sorta. Nice. Oh, it's really settling. Okay.
Nice.
Okay, it's safe. Very good. Next step is wheels off. Get them bad boys out of the road. Yeah. Give it the vugga dogs. Definitely take both wheels off. Yes.
Yes.
Next thing, of course, is drain the diff oil before you undo your hubs and whatnot so you can pull your axles out. So yes, get your diff oil draining. When you're done doing that, it'll be sweet. Use a bucket or something. Don't be a bushman.
He's definitely ready for weld.
Yes, approve. Fuck yes. Oh, next is them there brake lines. And then undo that brake line. Oh, get those fucking toe fingers on there. Oh, what sort of monkey are you? But that seems to be the way, guys, to undo them bolts that hold the back on there. Is for the next step, you got to get your foot in there, hold it with all your might, and skadortskuss. It works, just trust us. Oh, he's got the power. Oh shit, they know you're welding your diff cars.
Oh, that'll be right.
They're coming back for us. Ah! Hey, so now you've just pulled them out, and the diff will hopefully pop out once we undo the tail shaft. Getting excited, mate?
Oh yeah, another step closer.
Oh yeah. Police weren't for us, so winner. Do not forget center bearing. Does not want to come down. Yes. Another step. And now we're up to the final part of the job, which is undoing big diff. Yes, we like. So yeah, pop the diff down, now the axles are out, and we're on. Ooh, you don't know how long this needs to have happened. And after all that, we have the biggest window and the diff out. So, follow our steps, and you can successfully double soon too.
Oh, what the fuck?
Rowdiest degreaser ever.
Light it, light it.
No, you're just going to keep fucking sanding it in there.
Really?
It'll keep foaming everything out of your road.
That's weird ass.
Yeah, just keep sanding more in. Because it's got enough strength to like push past itself. It's like elephant's toothpaste.
Make sure, quick tip, make sure that you are spinning where the axle would be so you clean out between all the spider gears.
Very smart. Yes, yes, yes.
Degreaser again.
I wouldn't use the degreaser again. You heard it here first,
The
folks.
cleaner would be the better.
Yeah. Oh yeah, so clean. Nice, nice. Yeah, salt water's even better. Ooh, what do you reckon? Already self-welding itself, mate.
Lucky we're welding it. See, fixing the diff, guys. See,
Yeah.
Fixing the diff, upgrade
I gotta-
and fixing. That's
Maintenance.
the kind of mechanic we like doing.
Fuck yeah. Oh, get that brake cleaner in there. But here it's going to get cold soon, so yeah, just try and have a bit of a fire. Hey, fucking oath. Get all the oils and stuff out. Very nice. Very nice. Now, just from the last frame, we've changed locations. We are now somewhere else. Just a bit of reassurance. Still seems a little wet. Ooh, we think we've got a little cheat code. So we're up to welding. That is the next step. You know, you got to weld the dog, and where we want to weld him, where's my finger, is in these gaps, in that gap, whoop, and in that gap of the spider gears, and then spider gears to the outer piece. Try to avoid this centre bit so the axles go in.
Really hoping a bit of grease.
Bit of grease.
Hopefully stop any splutters from sticking to the crown gear.
Surely. That would
Might
be
have cracked
nice.
the code.
Yep.
Worth a shot anyway.
Yep, fucking oath. And what if anyone's in the feet? They're going to be sussing you out, mate.
Make the dandelions.
Oh.
We have the bandfoot bandit.
Fucking units. Yes. Cool. Yeah. I reckon. Oh, me. Whoop. Sticking him in there. You keep sticking him in there. You need some gap, cuz.
I'll see you guys.
Alright, have a good one. I hope he's not hurt camera screen. You get the idea. Hey, there's some welds getting on in there. Hope the grease trick's working. Hope so.
Quick little break. Let the welder cool down.
Hot hand piece. Bar. Alright, it's happening. Oh, that's fucking welded together. You happy with yourself there, mate?
I reckon, mate.
Fuck
we're ready
yes.
to get the other side and get her back in and doing the double.
Hey, double in. Alright. Holy, that grease is smoking more than I do. But no, fucking oath. Apparently one more hit and we're fucking as fucking on gets. What do you reckon, Mr. Sir?
Mate, it's just a bit of a pity that the old welder here's overheating. But
Yeah.
it is what it is, mate. You want all the heat you can get
She
in
got
there.
the light
So,
on. Yeah.
When it comes to, mate, the more heat you can get in this diff, the better.
Fucking oath.
Hopefully she survives.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, welded diff that spins, ready to go. You happy man, mate?
I'm very, very stoked, mate.
Shoo!
Very well overdue.
Fucking oath.
It's gonna become
Oh, the choo-cha.
a choo-choo.
Oh, yeah. And takes all the goods around. It's very good.
Wonderful daily. Anybody out there that wants a phenomenal daily, I'd strongly recommend a two-wheel drive dual cab. It'll do anything you need it to do. And
And you can lend it to your friends.
when you're ready for it to party, you just weld the diff. That's where it all starts, is having something that you can get in and drive. That's where it all starts.
That's it.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. Alrighty, well now time to put the dog back in. See, everything you just saw before, just do it the opposite. Oh, okay.
What are you doing?
Holy dilly, look at her, she rolls. How exciting is this? Wow, that big girl does the chirpies. Works fine. How good? Fucking oath. Yoo! Oh yeah, that is the noise we want to hear. Oh, she is locked. How exciting. It's your first time with the weldy, mate.
First non-disappointing dump.
Oh, that's exciting.